Hey guys, how are you? This is Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter, and today, the 5 things you need to know to purchase any boat or yacht at the lowest price. The first, you need to know the recent sales information. Every yacht sold is recorded in a yachting MLS. So based on the make, model, size, location, there's gonna be a number that someone previously purchased it at that should set the ceiling. You shouldn't be willing to pay anything more than this number. To get this information, feel free to check the link below or head over to my website at www.theyachthunter.com. This is the most important piece of information you need to know when buying any yacht. The second key thing you need to obtain when buying any yacht is the service records. Anything that's been done to that boat or yacht under the ownership of the previous owner, you need to know to make sure that you're buying what you believe you're buying. The third most important thing to know to buy any yacht at its lowest price is what are the true running costs. A yacht that's maintained actively should fall in the ballpark of about 10% of the annual insurable value. If it's below this, maybe there's an oversight or maybe that owner was lucky. If it's above this, maybe it's a problem boat or maybe they really aggressively and actively maintain the vessel. Either way, this is a very important bit of information to obtain before you buy any yacht. The fourth thing is you have to appoint a broker to represent you in your purchase. Much like real estate, they cost you nothing and you stand to save a lot as they have access to a ton of information that's going to benefit you when purchasing any yacht. And the fifth thing, which I always do for my clients, is you have to obtain a Yachtlytics Yacht Purchasing Report. What this does is gives analytical sense to your negotiation. Graphs, charts, data to solidify your argument as to why you should be buying any yacht at the lowest possible price. So to get your free Yachtlytics Yacht Purchasing Report, again, head over to my website, www.theyachthunter.com. But before doing that, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy yachting, my friends.